Learn and speak English. Use of have. Have a drink. Have a drink. Have a bath. Have a bath. Have a good time. Have a good time. Have a rest. Have a rest. Have a lunch. Have a lunch. Useoftake. Take a break. Take a break. Take a look. Take a look. Take an exam. Take an exam. Take a seat. Take a seat. Take a chance. Take a chance. Use of go. Go home. Go home. Go bankrupt. Go bankrupt. Go crazy. Go crazy. Go shopping. Go shopping. Go abroad. Go abroad. Use of do. Do your homework. Do your homework. Do nothing. Do nothing. Do the cooking. Do the cooking. Do the dishes. Do the dishes. Do your hair. Do your hair. Use of make. Make a decision. Make a decision. Make a mess. Make a mess. Make an effort. Make an effort. Make the bed. Make the bed. Make money. Make money. Use of come. Come to a decision. Come to a decision. Come to an end. Come to an end. Come close. Come close. Come early. Come early. Come last. Come last. Use of get. Get pregnant. Get pregnant. Get lost. Get lost. Get ready. Get ready. Get started. Get started. Get a job. Get a job. Use of let me. Let me know. Let me know. Let me think. Let me think. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me go. Let me go. Let me see. Let me see. Use of keep. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Keep a secret. Keep a secret. Keep that change. Keep that change. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep in mind. Keep in mind. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.